What's up guys, in this video I'm going to teach you about text boxes. So text box is a very basic component that is used frequently in programming, and also as you can see the Visual Studio itself has lots of text boxes. As you can see in the properties tab, there is a text box for this one, and also there's a combo box which is kind of a text box but a developed one, and also you have text boxes for these things and lots of stuff like that. So what we are going to do in this video is we are going to pass the text we take from the text box into this label. So in the previous video we taught you how to change the text of the label by using a button. If you didn't watch that video, you should definitely check that out so you will feel easier to follow this tutorial. So we have taught you how to work with buttons, so we have taught you how to use event handlers as well. We are going to modify the previous event handler which we made in the previous video and incorporate this button with a text box and get the user input from the text box and pass it to the label. I'll place this label down here so you can see what we are doing as steps. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to the toolbox and find a text box and insert it by dragging it to the form and adjusting its font size so that we can see what the user is going to type on it clearly. So what is going to happen in this is the user will type something in this text box like hello or something, and when he clicks on the click me button, the text on the text box will pass to the label. So now let's go to the event handler of the button, double click on the button. So this is the code we used in the previous video, so I'm gonna get rid of it. And now I think you have some knowledge about assigning things. So in the previous video we saw how to assign hello to the text property of the label. So what we are going to do now is pretty much the same. Now what we are going to do is assign the label one's text to the text coming from the text box. So what we are going to do is grab the text from the text box and pass it to the label at once. So to access the property text in the label, what we did is type the name of the label and then put the symbol and type text. So what we are going to do now is the exact thing. We are going to write the text box's name, which is textbox 1, and put that symbol and type text. I'm going to delete this one as well. So now if I run this program, the initial text is welcome. So if I just click on the button, there's nothing in the text box, so this label should become empty. So let's do that. Yes, it happened. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to type something here like hello world, and as you can see the text went right there. And also you can type pretty much everything, pretty much anything here. As you can see everything works fine. Okay, so this is pretty much easy, and as you can see it is very useful. This is the most basic stuff you need to know about text boxes and buttons. So we have incorporated this text box, label and button in one event handler and created a simple program. Now what you can do is you can create several text boxes and type several things. I don't know what you can do from this. You can just do the same thing what I did and just practice it. Practice and practice, you will be expertise in that field. So that's it for this video. So in this next video I will teach you how to use arithmetic operations and stuff like that to make a simple calculator which can perform the simple mathematical operations. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to get instant notifications whenever I publish a video, and also like this video and share this with your friends if you liked it, and also definitely leave a comment so I can know about your ideas. Also check out our website sideweb.ga so you can contact us, and also you can download project files and stuff like that. So that's it for this video, and I stress you that to practice this well. Watching this video might not be effective for you, so what you need to do is just practice and practice so you will be unstoppable. So practice and watch the next video definitely so that I get more views and also you get more knowledge. So that's it for this video. So let's meet in the next video, and bye for now.